call.
TRU 77 to BR dispatch over.
Go ahead, TRU 77.
TRU 77 at the top of the hill looking to come onto your railroad, over.
TRU 77, give me your train length and first car with initials, over.
We are 7580 feet. First car is CDRX 801980, over.
Give me those initials again.
CDRX Charlie Delta Romeo Xylophone.
What?
Did the brother say xylophone?
Hey, it's X-ray.
Hey, words with friends. Bring it down now. Signal indication.
It's not that funny.
Yes, it is. Coming up with the X word correctly is impressive. Be God, you didn't say exit or exam.
Yeah, it could have been worse.
Like,
share, subscribe.
Jordan.
Thanks for watching. CDRX Charlie Delta Romeo Xylophone.
what?